So, hi everyone. Today we'll see something about questions asked in every CCNA exam, that is 200 301. As most of them know that if someone wants to make their career into IT, okay, in the field of networking, so they prefer a subject on networking subject, right? So whenever we talk about networking, and people say that the top of the mind which comes here as CCNA, right? So Cisco Certified Network Associate. So this Cisco Certified Network Associate, this, which is the syllabus which is given by Cisco on switching and routing, on switching and routing. So now on these subjects, if someone is good, okay, in this CCNA, they can go and appear for an exam which is conducted by Cisco. So the exam is on CCNA switching and routing. That is 200 301 is the exam code. And this exam is going to be for 2 hours of time period. So where you get around 50 to 55 questions, and the total marks of this exam is going to be for 1,000 marks. And in this 1,000 marks, the candidate has to be, get the score around what do you say, 825 marks, almost 80% place that the candidate has to be get scored. So inside this, what I'm talking about, so what are the most common questions which have been asked in the exam? So one of the question inside that is, which command prevents passwords from being stored in the configuration as plain text on a router or switch? So as you all know, when you're configuring the Cisco router, we give we as an admin give the password. Okay, we give the password. So by using different commands, we use give the command on enable secret, okay, and we enter the password, or we give it enable password and give the password. So these are the commands commonly used, and there is something service password encryption, username is Cisco password encryption. So when you give this password, like example, when we talk about in these aspects, now let me try to explain this on Cisco packet tracer by executing this command. So how it look exactly? Now you can see here. Now I have my Cisco router here, and inside this, I'm trying to give the same commands over here. So let me get into this en configuration. I'm into the configuration mode now. I'm trying to enter this password, showing that a command called enable password, and I say the password is SNIT. Okay, so this is one of the password which I give to my router, and one more password I can give in this way, saying that enable. Okay, enable secret. Okay, and I give CCNA. So this is the one way I can give the password to my router. Right now I have given enable password, and I have given enable secret, okay, and CCNA. So when I try to go and check this, okay, on giving a command on show running config, now you can see here the previously I have used one password. What is that password here? You can get here. When I give the command here, enable password, and you can see this password over here like this. But when I give a password saying that enable secret, and it was encrypted, right? So in this scenario, now what I can also go and give one of the password of remote password. Let me give that example also by getting into this line, okay, VTY, okay, 04, and let me give one more password here saying that password, and I say this is okay, Cisco, right? So, and this is for my login from remote. So let me exit it. Let me exit it. And here you can see show, okay, running config. And in this scenario, you can see previously I was explaining about a password which is given by giving a command enable secret. So here you can see the entire password is encrypted. So the password here I have given is Cisco, CCNA, sorry. Then SNIT, you can see this password. Then again, okay, one more password which I have given on the remote login password. You can see here. Cisco, right? So now this password also, it's it's clearly on the plain text. So the question here from the Cisco, which is saying the command which prevents password from being stored in the configuration as a plain text. Now, what is that command I can give so that all my plain text is converted to the encrypted password? So here it says A, B, C, D. Inside these four, what we can give it? So there is a answer inside this. So you have to choose the correct one. Now, which one here you says that? What do you think so? What is the answer for this? A, B, C, D. Which one you think so? Right? So the answer is here. You can see here. Okay, a command which enables your plain text passwords which will be converted. That means all the passwords what all you have given will be converted into an encrypted. So that is a command called service password hyphen encryption. So this is a answer. And when I give this enable password, you can see the password plain text. I have given what I have given there, CCNA, right? Something password I have given over here, enable password, the command which I have given, you can see here. What is that I have given here? Enable password and SNIT. You can see this. And then I have given enable secret. So this password is completely, what do you say, encrypted. And you can see for the same over here. So what I have given here. So when I give this, okay, on enable secret, and this complete password is encrypted. Then also I have given line VTY password Cisco, and that is also in the plain text. Now finally what I'm going to do here, okay, as I said, this is a correct answer. Uh, Now let me go and execute that command. What is it? In the configuration mode. So here I can say here, what is it? Service, okay, password hyphen encryption. So when I run this command here, okay, and go and see now, show running config, and inside this now you can see I have given this as SNIT, right? Now this has been changed here. Now one more password which we can see for the remote login, I have given one more password as Cisco something like. Now you can see this password has been also changed. So this is what, the question says here. What is a command which prevents us from, prevents password from being stored in the text configuration as a plain text. Which command prevents us? That the command which we're trying to execute is that service password encryption. Hope you understood about this. Thank you all.